Hi guys. May kasabihan na the best ability is availability. It simply means that, for example, sa uh, basketball team, so meron kang, yung kasama nyo is MVP, so siyang pinakamagaling na player sa inyong barangay. Pero nung naglaro kayo sa championship, siya ay injury. So hindi siya available. So baliwala lang din yung pagiging the best niya kung hindi siya available. So yeah, the best ability is availability. Pwede natin ikumpara yun sa bike tools. For example, multitools. Everybody knows that we have to bring multitools when we bike. One example is this one. So it has lots of tools that you can use when fixing your bike. For example, naputo lang yung chain. So meron kang chain breaker, meron kang maliit na tire lever, and different kind of Allen keys. Pero paano kung nagra-ride ka, naputulong ka ng kadena, or may lumagad tornilyo mo, pero nalimutan mo pala to? Mahirap yun. Kahit na mahusay at magaling itong tools na to, kung nalimutan mo sa bahay nyo, ay laring silbi. So, parang sabihin ko sa inyo na merong tools na hindi mo na 95% of the time hindi mo may iwan at lagi nasa bike mo lang. So, yeah, maganda, di ba? Yeah, meron nun. Ang tawag doon ay itong tools na to. So, this is one-up EDC Multitool. So, this one is actually you're gonna put it on your steer tube. Go inside onto your steer tube, and when you pop it open, so ang one-up multi-tool ay ito siya, at nakalagay siya sa yung tube. So ayan, so hindi mo na siya malimutan kasi paglagay mo dyan, hindi mo narisin dyan yan. So ibig sabihin, pagka bigla ka na sila sa ride, ito yung multi-tool mo, hatakay mo lang dyan. So guys, as you can see, if I open it, so here, meron kang lagay ng iyong missing link and different kind of hex tools. Of course, ito yung mga normal na makikita natin yung mga tornilyo sa ating bike. And you will have a chain breaker and a tire lever. And also when you open this, if you thread it, sa loob niya is hollow, so pwede ka maglagay ng yung patch kit dyan. So ayun yung goma sa loob, yung pinatipis sa goma, and then yung paste. So lagay lang dyan, then i-thread mo, and then pala yung isang part nung yung metal thing na pang scratch ng goma para kumapit yung pantagpi. So sarado ko lang, thread lang, and then so just put this back, then like this. Here. So ayan, and then it will go to your steer tube. Or may option din naman, kung wala ka pang pambomba, pwede kang bumili nung kasama niya na kit. So this is just a pump, and then you can put the multi-tool here inside the hole. So, ito nga yung pump niya. So, normal pump. And then, you can put the multi-tool inside the hole. Hollow siya. So, ayan. With this, you have a complete multi-tool, pump, pang patch, chain breaker, tire lever, So you name it, these guys have it. And also this one, maalis mo to para sa CO2 cartridge. So ito ay CO2 nozzle na kalas yan. So ayun, yun yung setup niya. Yep, sana nagustuhan niyo yung video. Sabi nga nila, this is the James Bond of multi-tools because yeah, it's so unique. It is living on your bike. See ya. Salamat. Bye-bye.